I'm going to show you how to turn off or restart your Samsung Galaxy S20 phone. Very, very simple here. Okay, now there's a couple ways to do it. So first way is if you are already logged in, what you can do is just scroll down the notifications, and then you have your power button right here, so you can simply just tap on that, and here you go. You can power off or restart from here. Now another way to do it, a lot of you guys are probably doing this. Okay, you're probably holding down your power button here, and the only thing you're doing there, it keeps waking up this freaking Bixby. Okay, I'll show you how where you can actually use the power button to bring up the power off menu. But the other way to do it is if you hold down the volume down button and the power button simultaneously. Okay, ready? Volume down, power. Just 1, 2, 3. Just press and hold, and wait until the screen pops up. Okay. The thing is, if you just press it really quick, both buttons, volume down and power button, if you just press it, it's just going to take screenshots here. Just press it. So what you got to do again is press and hold, and then it'll bring it up. Okay. Now, like most of you guys probably want to use the power button alone just to be able to restart or turn it off, because a lot of times what happens, you're going to forget about the volume down and the power button here. So what you can do is we can go ahead and make the side button bring up the power button instead of waking up actual Bixby. So how you do that is, an easier way to get to it is just go ahead and scroll down notifications again, and then go ahead and tap on the power off up here, power off button here, and just click down here where it says side key settings. The side key is basically the power button here, and you can see here if you double press, if you double press the power button, you get a quick launch of your camera, which is by default here, or you can switch to open Bixby or open another app. But if you look down here, it says press and hold. Okay, so if we press and hold, we wake up Bixby. However, if we do down here, power off menu, now if we go ahead and press and hold the power button by itself, this menu pops up. Okay, again, by default, it's up here on Wake Bixby. So if I press and hold the power button, it does this. So my preference, I hardly even use Bixby. I'd rather just leave it on power off. Just like that. All right? Good luck, guys.